And here we go with the 30-pack unopening Wagers of War. Chips, Blood Bag, Gauntlet, Retaliate, Shield. Yes, Gambler stuff. I do want to play more Gambler. Iron Knight, cool. There's Shield attack can level up, nice. Vampire almost at level 3. 28 packs to go, I think. Think we might get there. Chips, poison, mana pump, raged. Mortal can level up, yes, thank you. I use that all the time, vampire, there we go. Chips, poison, blood bag, pierce, I haven't used that yet. Mass pierce, I think I used that in arena once. Chips, blood bag, backfire, shield, mass pierce, Iron Knight can be leveled up. Oh dang. Poison cure, cards of skirmish, great shield, 3 constitute. Oh, that one, yeah, I have that in my deck, I think, unless that's my arena deck. Chips, switch, still haven't used. Butt kick, snowball. I love the snowball. It takes forever to like get going, but if you can get it going, then the wreck face in the late game. Chips, doubler. Hey, there we go. Retinal, okay. Gambler. So, God, I have so much switch. I never even use it. A slat. Iron Knight, okay. Butt kick. Iron kamikaze. Abomination cards, there we go. Gambler. Oh, give me some more. Give me the gambler cards that I don't have. That upgrading my one I have. Backfire. Switch. Switches in like every pack. Pre-strike, okay. Here. Shield. Magic shield. Eric slash. Upgrade vampire still. Alright. Almost halfway there. Chips. Doubler. Backfire. Skirmish. Shield attack. Abomination. Oh, my Abomination's already level 3. Maybe I should play more Abomination. Slash. Empiric Slash is probably my favorite card. Like, I love the art. It's a very useful card in battle. It's fun. Ooh, arena tickets. Or ticket. Gate of Reckoning can be upgraded, okay. Iron Knight. Eat. Beggar's Bounty. Retaliate. Reckoning. Abomination. Blood bag. Shield. Cards of Iron. That actually is pretty useful. I've used that a couple times in Arena. So it's definitely useful when it's maxed out, so See what level it's at by the time I'm done with this. I feel like putting it in a deck. Vitality. Oh, that card. Yeah, I use that every once in a while. In Arena, it's pretty good. You get up to 8 health back at max. Alright, 10 left. Blood bag. Poison. Punch the gut. Beggar's Gift is almost upgradable. Come on, just one more Beggar's Gift. Got 9 packs. Can do it. Alright, Cure, Blood Bag, Shield, Mutant Leech. I need to look at that card again because I feel like I don't. I think I used it in like the first deck I tried setting up, and I didn't use it. I didn't think it had enough value. Check again. Ass Pierce, there we go. 7 more. Gut Punch, Vampiric Slash, Empire. Give me more arena. Dude, read my mind. I was literally about to ask for more arena tickets. Flash, give me all those. Take those all day, every day. Mana Pump, useful. Shiv, awesome. Dice, sweet. I think I still might be missing one gambler card. I can't remember which one it was. Shiv. Hey, Shrapnel, let's go. 3 more. Skirmish, okay. Reckoning. Empire. 2 packs left. Your Vital Vengeance. That card can be really strong, but you have to let it sit in your hands. Hey, Drunken Rage, yes. Abomination. Alright, the final pack. What godlike cards will I get out of this? Lucky Coin. Empire. Alright. Thank you for watching this 30 card pack unopening. Make sure to like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.